Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your TCL 60 SE NXTpaper. So first, let's start off by trying to toggle the Bluetooth off and then on. So go to settings. Now here, go to Bluetooth. And if it's disabled, then enable it. Wait a couple of seconds. Then disable it, and now here we need to wait from 5 to 10 seconds for it to restart. So let me just enable it now, and here we will have our devices. If they aren't connecting, then what we can try to do is, let's say we get a device, then instead of pairing right now, we will be unpairing and repairing to the same device, and it should fix those issues. If not, then you guys can try to restart the phone and your Bluetooth device. So hold the power button, now click restart, and your phone is now restarting. So I'll see you guys once my phone is ready. And now after restarting your phone, what you guys can do is also go to settings to update your software to maybe fix the connectivity bugs. So if you're not running the latest version of your software, I recommend you guys updating it. So scroll down, go to system, it's right at the bottom. Now we need to go to system update, and here it will check automatically if you have the latest version. As you guys see, I do have the latest version. If you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important because it can fix a lot of glitches, including the Bluetooth not connecting to your device. So that'd be it for this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.